Portable environmentally friendly washing machine, specially designed for small load washing, consume the least water and electricity. Manual detachable brush, dual purpose for washing and washing shoes. Without screwdriver, the brush can be removed manually. Special detachable nylon brush, spiral design 360 degrees scrubbing, clean and not hurt shoes. 6.5 kg large capacity washing, 2 to 4 pairs of shoes can be washed at a time, meeting the needs of a family. Specially designed for antibacterial shoes, deep cleansing, 360 degrees blue light antibacterial, safe and healthy, clean and more assured.